We are from College Negeri.
My name is Muhammad Ajmal Rafi bin Muhammad Izri.
My name is Muhammad Ikhwan bin Muhammad Adli.
My name is Adam Zakran bin Sulaiman.
Every year, millions of durian seeds are discarded as agricultural waste. However, durian seeds are rich in starch and have the potential to be transformed into valuable food products.
Durian spread is an innovative sweet spread made from durian seeds. It helps reduce food waste while promoting sustainability and the circular economy.
Firstly, to produce a high quality sweet spread using durian seed. Secondly, to reduce durian seed waste by converting it into a value-added food product. Thirdly, to evaluate consumer acceptance based on taste, aroma, texture and appearance. Fourth, to promote sustainability through the use of agricultural waste.
And have sweet scent like buttery, and we can taste the sweet honey. Also the texture, like it has like some same texture and it's thick but not too thick. Yeah.
It felt a bit mushy, some kind of puree type of food. It has a little bit of oat inside of it. I can taste it very well, and it's very strong in terms of flavor, and I very much enjoy it.
The aroma tastes very good. I like the smell. It has nice creamy smell, buttery smell, and the taste is so buttery and creamy. I really like that. I really like it.
The taste is very creamy and delicious. It is feel natural and no additional item added into this spread. It tastes like honey and oats, but at the same time it is healthy for our health.
This spread smells like oat and it tastes sweet and tastes like oat. Yeah.
We hope our innovation can help reduce food waste and encourage more sustainable food production. Thank you for your attention.
Bye.